Laplace transformation of this function. Now tell me how to do this. Since denominator is okay, we have s square plus 8, so we can make it as s square plus a square. So it can be the formula for either sine or cos. But what about numerator? What to do for numerator? Any idea what will we do for numerator since we have 2s minus 1?
Separate the terms.
Very good. So what we will do, we will separate the terms. So we will write 2s divided by s square plus 8 plus minus 1 divided by s square plus 8. Now look at the term and tell me first will become the formula for what? Since we have numerator
Cos
s,
t.
Cos function.
cos, and second will become formula for what? Since we have number on the top,
Sine.
it will be the formula for
Sine.
sine. Now we have to do some adjustments so that they'll exactly become the formula for sine and cos. So from here what we will do, we can take 2 common. And what about this? 8 is the root of what?
2 root 2 the whole square we can write it.
Yeah, 8 is the square of 2 root 2. Or if you don't know the root, simply you can put root 8 on the numerator. Anything is fine. Okay, so what I have done for first term, I have taken 2 common. We have Laplace inverse of s by s square plus 8. Minus has come out. Laplace inverse of 1 by s square plus 8. See, in case if you don't know how to find out the root, then simply you can multiply and divide by root 8, because we know that root 8 square will definitely give you 8. Okay, what I have done here is I have written 8 as 2 root 2 square. If you know the root, then only you write the root, because otherwise all of you will do some mistake while writing the root. So if you don't know anything, just write root 8 square, because anyway root 8 square will give you 8 only. Okay, so do not struggle here a lot. Okay, so your a value is 2 root 2, since this is a sine function and we need a value on the numerator, so we will multiply and divide with a value. So first term as it is, second term 1 by root 2, Laplace inverse of 2 root 2 divided by s square plus 2 root 2 whole square. So what will be your final answer? The final answer will be
2 cos 2 root
2
2
cos 2 root 2 t minus
1 divided by 2
minus.
root 2 sine 2 root 2 t.
Very good. So the final answer is 2 cos 2 root 2 t minus 1 by 2 root 2 into sine 2 root 2 t. In case you are not able to write 2 root 2, please write root 8. So another way you can write it as 2 cos root 8 t minus 1 by root 8 sine root 8 t. Okay, so do not struggle a lot to find out the root. Okay, any doubt in this problem? Is there anyone who have any doubt? Tell me. No doubt.
No, ma'am.
Okay, then I'll do one thing. I'll give you one problem. You solve and tell me what is the answer. Write down 3s minus 4. I'll write here if you are able to see. 3s minus 1 divided by 16 minus s square. 16 minus s square. Solve it. Tell me the answer. You have to find the Laplace, inverse Laplace transformation of this function. All of you please solve and tell me what is your answer. I'll give you 3-4 minutes of time. It's very simple. One step only, you'll get the answer.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
is it
Tell me.
3 cos h40 minus 1 by 4 sin h40 whole minus is there?
Whole minus is there.
I mean minus 3
Oh,
cos h40 plus 1 by 4 sin h40.
yes. Yes, yes. So the final answer is minus 3 cos hyperbolic 40 plus 1 by 4 sine hyperbolic
Sin
40.
H40.
All of you have got the same answer? Is there anyone who got some other answer? Is there anyone who got some other answer? Or is there anyone who has any doubt in this problem?
Ma'am, can you repeat the answer, ma'am?
Answer is minus 3 cos h40 plus 1 by 4 sine h40. See, what you have to do, take minus common from the denominator, s square minus 14. S square minus a square is the formula for either sine hyperbolic or cos hyperbolic. If you have number on the top, then it will be sine hyperbolic. If you have s on the numerator, then it will be cos hyperbolic. And then sine you have to adjust accordingly. Done? You got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. All the sisters have got the answer. I think we have almost 4 sisters in our class altogether.
Yes, ma'am.
All the sisters have very good. And Amaya sister, please help Soumya sister to, understand the concepts and all. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Still you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, so let's move to the 6th problem. Just look at this problem and tell me how to solve this. 2 divided by s root s minus plus 5 divided by s square minus 7 divided by root s. How do we actually this is simple only, but it's written root, so it looks complicated. Let me do Laplace inverse of all the 3 terms. First, what we will do, we will separate the terms. Now, since we have root and all, so what we will do, we will convert it into power. So root s will be 1 by 2. What is the whole power of s for the first term? S into root s is equals to s to the power what?
3 by 2.
3 by 2.
Very good. So we have next step. What happened is I have taken constant outside, 2 outside, 5 outside, and minus 7 outside. Now we will write in terms of power. S 1 by s to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 by s square, and then last term is 1 by s to the power 1 by 2. Now since we have a power for s, so it's definitely going to be the Laplace transformation of some power of t. So that power only you have to find out. Now you tell me what shall I multiply in the numerator so that it will become the function of t. This is s to the power
1 by
3
2.
by 2. So numerator you have to do 3 by 2 minus 1. So which is 1 by 2. Multiply and divide by 1 by 2 factorial. Okay. For the second term, 1 by s square. 1 by s square is the answer for which function of t?
T.
Hmm?
T.
T.
Only t. Only t. Okay. And the last one, s to the power 1 by t. What should be there in the numerator? 1 by t minus 1?
1/2.
1 by 2 minus 1?
Minus 1 by
Minus 1 by 2.
Minus 1/2.
Very good. So minus 1 by 2, multiply and divide in the numerator and denominator. So that's what I have done. For the first term, I have multiply and divide by 1 by 2 factorial. For second term, I have multiply and divide by 1 factorial. For third term, I have multiply and divide by minus 1 by 2 factorial. Okay. Can anyone of you tell me what is 1 by 2 factorial? What is 1 by 2 factorial? 1 by 2 factorial is root pi by 2. Just remember this. 1 by 2 factorial is root pi by 2 and minus 1 by 2 factorial is root pi. So 2 divided by 1 by 2 factorial is root pi by 2, and this will give you the answer as t to the power 1 by 2 plus 5 divided by 1 factorial. This is the inverse of t minus 7 divided by minus 1 by 2 factorial will give you root pi t to the power minus 1 by 2. So that's your answer. If you don't know the factorial value, you can just keep it like that also. Anything is fine. Any doubt in this problem? Anyone have any doubt? No response means no doubt.
Understood, ma'am.
Very good. Now seventh problem. Look at the seventh problem and tell me how to do. 1
Partial
by, huh? What we have to do?
partial
Lavanya.
fraction.
Good. Very good. We have to do partial fraction because denominator only one factor should be there. So many factors should not be there. If we have so many factors, then definitely it cannot be the Laplace transformation of anything. Because once we'll apply Laplace transformation, denominator will get only one factor. So if denominator you have more than one factor, so you will apply partial fraction. All of you remember partial fraction, no?
Yes, ma'am. So A
yes.
divided by
Correct. Since we have three factors, s, s plus 1, s plus 2, so we have to write three constant, a, b, c. Okay. So we have to find Laplace transformation of this function. So what we will do? By using partial fraction, we will split the factors on the denominator. 1 divided by s into s plus 1 into s. So what we will do? First we will take the inside thing, we will simplify and then we will apply the inverse formula. So 1 divided by s into s plus 1 into s plus 2. Since we have three factors, so three constant will come, and under every constant one factor will come. So a by s plus b by s plus 1 plus c by s plus 2. All of you know partial fraction. Now please solve and tell me the value of a, b and c. You can find out the value of a, b and c now.
Yes, mom.
Okay, then find out. Tell me the value. What will be the value of a, b and c? Let me see how many of you know how to do partial fraction. Done?
Ma'am,
Hmm?
is it A value is 1 by 2?
Okay. B value?
Minus
Minus
1,
1?
C value?
1 by 2.
Good.
1 by 2.
Very good. So I'll just show you the solution part. What we will do, we will take the LCM on our right hand side, and always remember left side denominator and right side denominators are going to be same. So most of the time both the denominators will get cancelled out. So just we have to compare one with this one numerator. And now here you will take different value of s so that some of the terms will become 0. Since you have s, so first we are taking let s is equals to 0. If s is 0, then substitute the values. You will get a is equals to 1 by 2. Next value you can take it as minus 1. Since you have s plus 1 now, if you take minus 1, then plus 1 minus 1 will be 0. So next value I am taking as s is equals to minus 1. Substitute the values. This term will give you 0. This term will give you 0. Only the b value you will get. So your b value you will get it as minus 1, and hence substitute s value as minus 2. So you can take any value of s such that any factor will become 0, so that you will get the constant value. So if you're taking s is equals to minus 2, this factor will be 0, this factor will be 0, only you will get the c part. 1 is equals to 2c, so you will get sc, c is equals to 1 by 2. Now what you have to do is substitute the value for a, b and c. As soon as you will substitute the value for a, b and c, my a is 1 by 2, b is minus 1, c is 1 by 2, and then take inverse for entire left hand side and right hand side. Right hand side, since you have 3 terms, so L inverse will go along with all the 3 terms. Now tell me the answer. What is the Laplace inverse of 1 by s?
1.
1.
1. Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus 1.
E to the power of minus t.
Good. 1 into e to the power of minus t. And 1 by s plus 2?
E to the power of minus 2t.
E to the power minus 2t.
Very good. So your final answer is 1 by 2 into t minus e to the power of minus t plus 1 by 2 into e to the power of minus 2t. So what you have to do here is basically partial fraction. If you know how to do the partial fraction, you will get the answer. The last problem of the day, and then we'll finish it off. How do we solve this? Just see the first you have to look at the denominator, then look at the numerator. Denominator, how many factors are there? Total, how many factors are there? Hmm?
bx plus c will be.
How many s plus 1 you have? How many s plus 1 you have?
2.
2.
Denominator 2. And how many s plus 2?
1.
So total how many factors?
3.
3 factors. So total how many constant for partial
Another
fraction?
expression.
Huh? See, look at the denominator. How many total factors you have, that many constants. Here also we have to apply partial fraction because denominator is in terms of product of factors. Since we have 3 factors, s plus 1, s plus 1 and s plus 2. So we will get 3 constant. Is there anyone who is saying something? Okay, so again we are going to apply the partial fraction. So tell me how to write the partial fraction for this. A divided by what?
Px plus c.
A divided by s plus 1. Then b divided by s plus 1 whole square. And c divided by s plus 2. So this is the way to write the partial fraction. First you will write first power, then you will write second power, then you will write third power, then you will write fourth power. Whatever maximum power is given to you, you will just split 1 1 1 1 1 in that power. So since we have three factors, so first you have to write s plus 1, then s plus 1 square, then s plus 2. Take the LCM. Always LCM on both the denominators will be same. So they will get cancelled out. Compare the numerator part of both the sides. So what should be the value of s you will take here to make some terms as 0? You will take s is equals to
minus 1.
1 minus 1. Since you can see one factor is s plus 1, no? So you can take s is equals to minus 1. So this entire term will become 0. So take s is equals to minus 1. If you will substitute, you will get b value is 1. Then one more factor which you can see is s is equals to 2. Put s is equals to minus 2. Then some of the terms will get cancelled and you will get the value of c. Now for third one, you can take s is equals to 0, or you can compare the coefficient. Since here there is no coefficient of s square, and here right hand side, what are the coefficient of s square? If you'll open
A
it,
plus C.
for a you will get s square, and for c you will get s square. So what I have done is, for the value of a, I have equated the coefficient of s square from both the sides. You can do anything. You can put s is equals to 0 also, or you can compare the constant from both the side, or you can compare the coefficient of s from both the side. Anyway you can do, just you have to get the correct value of a, b and c. So I have compared the coefficient of s square. My left hand side, since there is no s square, we have 0, and right hand side I have a and c. C value we already got it as minus 3. So 0 is equals to a minus 3. Hence my a value is 3. All of you understood this? Any doubt, anyone?
No.
Okay. Since we got the value of a, b and c, just substitute there and we will get the answer. Taking Laplace inverse on both the side. What is the Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus 1?
E to the power of minus t.
Very good. What is the Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus 1 whole square? It's a whole square, okay?
T e to the power of minus t.
Very good. And last one is 1 by s plus 2.
E to the power minus 2t.
Very good. So this is your final answer.